Hi friends, this is AJ. I hope you are having an amazing time. I'm back again with yet another roundup. Today I'm going to talk about the best iPhone 12 Pro Max cases. So, if you are on the lookout for clear cases that can let you flaunt your brand new iPhone in style, you must check them out. With that said, let's dive right into get going. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to do it now. Also, be sure to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us.
SpecJumsel. It feels great to kickstart this roundup with an amazing clear case like SpecJumsel. Both in terms of good looking design and protection, SpecJumsel is a top-notch clear case for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Probably the best part about Gemsel is the ability to offer an uncompromised seal to your iPhone 12 Pro Max while still offering the smartphone the full freedom to showcase its design. So, you will be able to enhance the style quotient without having to endanger the security of your device. The dual layer of construction features raised bezels to defend the triple camera setup and the 6.7-inch OLED display against unwanted scratches. Thanks to the ability to resist bacteria, it can also play a vital role in disinfecting your device. What's more, Gemsel also plays nicely with wireless chargers so that you can embrace wireless charging without any hiccups. Overall, it deserves to be rated as one of the top accessories for the iPhone 12 Pro Max without any doubt. Next is Totally. If incredibly sleek clear is what you are looking for, Totally is for you. Being a sleek clear case, it doesn't have much to offer in terms of protection. However, you can bank on it to defend your iPhone 12 Pro Max against scratches. And with the anti-slip texture, Totally clear case also makes sure the phablet can feel boxy in your palm. Besides, the tactile buttons and perfect cutouts further enhance its profile as a premium case for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Next is OtterBox Prefix series. OtterBox is well known for offering pretty compact yet highly protective cases, and Prefix series seems to follow the same tradition. So if you want to have the best of both worlds, style and protection at your disposal, this clear case could be a great choice. Made of hard PC material, the case has a one-piece design that feels comfortable in the hand. The pronounced buttons and neat cutouts ideally complement the cover. To offer additional protection to both the touchscreen and camera against scratches, it also features elevated edges on either side. At $35, Prefix series might seem a bit over the top. However, it has got the basics covered to live up the expectation. At the fourth spot of this roundup is Casecoo, and guess what? It has got everything covered to bowl you over right away. If you are willing to for an exceptionally protective clear case for iPhone 12 Pro Max, this offering from Casecoo could be one of the best contenders, and that too without demanding a premium price tag. Made of soft TPU and rugged PC material, Casecoo Clear Case has shock-absorbing construction. Besides, it has also raised bezels on the front and back to seal the massive camera bump and the large OLED display against scuffs. Due mainly to the durable casing, it provides certified military-grade protection. Not just that, the case has also got an anti-yellowing coating to keep the clarity intact. Next is ESR Clear Glitter Case. Oh yes, this one for the friends who have a liking for glittering design. If you are fond of a glowing design to make your iPhone win attention, ESR Clear Glitter Case can be a deserving choice. This case is pretty soft, slim and fits around the edges of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. With the smooth textures on top, it feels comfy to the touch. You may have already guessed, ESR Clear Glitter Case isn't designed to offer full-on safeguard to your iPhone. However, it has no pushover when it comes to thawing scuffs and also resisting low-volume shock. Furthermore, the clear case supports wireless charging and is priced at $12, which is comparatively low. Putting everything into the right perspective, it is one of the best iPhone 12 Pro clear cases under $15.
There you go. So these are my top clear cases for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now that you have checked out my favorites, it's your turn to spill the beans. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.